I think I am good, baby. Just that. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Ain't ready yet, but I am here. Ooh, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on, baby? Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. My name is V. If you're new here, I have very oily skin and very hooded eyes. I love creating eyeshadow looks, and in my eyeshadow videos, you will find some motivational and encouraging words. Please remember to share this video with someone, hype it, and comment, because I love talking to you in the comments. The first shade I'm pouring down is the brown, and I'm putting it in the brow bone. In today's video, I am using two shimmers so far that I have in mind to create today's look. I am still using that palette because I want to pan some eyeshadows in there. And I will also show you, if you have one palette, you can create a lot of different looks with that one palette. Be creative, explore, and let your mind take you to places you never think you would be able to. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Do not ever give up on yourself. You are the most important, valuable person in this world. Take care of yourself, always. Today's I am grateful for a new day. I am grateful for a new day. The second shimmer is going to go in the front portion of the eye. My website name is quiettimesreading.com. My new short read book of How Dementia Stole My Dad from Me is available on that website, and it is only $5.99. If you have dreams that you need to pursue, go ahead and do them in small increments. Sometimes everything one time is too overwhelming. Take your time, do it, and sometimes you will falter, but don't give up. Stop and rest, but don't give up. I'm doing the second eye so you can see what I did to the first eye. I am going to add one more shade in the middle, and it's also a shimmer. And I'm just going to put it right in between the two, like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Just like this. Can you see the difference with the outer corner and the little shade I put in the middle? Let me dress this eye up And I'll be back to show you what the complete look looks like. In the meantime, subscribe and hype the video. Thank you. My lip combo today is my brown Wet n Wild liner with my NARS color pencil in Dragon Girl. I'm still using my L'Oreal Infallible 365 Copper as my base. I use my One Size DAC 4G Press Powder Foundation as my bronzer. I use one matte in the brow bone, which is a brown, a warm brown, and I use 3 shimmers, the darkest one in the outer corner, the lightest one in the middle, and the bronze is in the inner part of the eye going to mesh with the others. This is what my look for today is. I am panning this palette. I have to pan every single shade before I move on to something else. So there'll be multiple looks, different weight, different shape, different size, and different colors until I pan this whole palette. And it's coming because so far there is one which has a teeny weeny panning happening. So progress is being done. Thank you all again for watching my video. Please remember to hype it and share it with someone else. As always, I love you and you're welcome on this channel. I thank you for just picking me. Until I see you in the next video and you see me in the next video, remember that self is always first. Know your high blood pressure numbers. Try to eat as healthy as you can. Always indulge in the things you love, but do it in moderation. Little bit of salt, little bit of sugar, sometimes none at all. Remember, health is important. Bye.